Hey foodies, today we're making some coconut curry chickpeas with some basmati rice. This was so good. Start by using about a tablespoon of coconut oil. I'm using about a tablespoon of curry. Toast it a little, don't burn it. Add the 4 cups of chickpeas. We're adding all of our aromatics right here. Don't forget the sweet potato and the pumpkin. Definitely some fresh thyme and some habanero or some scotch bonnet pepper. About a tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, some jerk seasoning. Definitely got to add the garlic, the ginger, and the pimento, and about 2 cans of coconut milk. And I tell you, I did not add any water to this. Add a little salt and pepper to taste. We're gonna let this simmer on medium heat for about 45 minutes. While my chickpeas is simmering, I'll be making the white rice. I am using basmati rice, about 2 cups of rice to about 3 to 3.5 cups of water, little salt, little butter, and a little coconut oil. Boil on medium heat until all the water has been absorbed, and this is what you will get. This was so hearty and flavorful. If you love comfort food, this recipe is definitely for you. You can also pair this up with quinoa, wild rice, or any other sides of your choice. Enjoy.